Hi, this is a quick demo of the Danelectro Cool Cat series Vibe pedal. It's an analog Vibe. Like all the Cool Cats, it comes in a metal case, has real metal jacks, has a true bypass switch, and it's pretty cool. I'm going to play a 82 Strat here. I'm on the middle single coil pickup. I'll show you what the amp sounds like without the pedal engaged. This is a silver face Princeton reverb, and I'll play a few chords for you. Okay, well now let's engage the pedal. Got a nice clunk to the switch there, showing the mechanical true bypass. All the knobs are about in the middle now, so this is pretty much the default sound. We have intensity, which is the depth of the vibe effect, the speed, obviously the speed of the vibe effect, and then mix for a wet-dry mix. You may notice that there's a little bit of a high-end roll-off going on in this pedal. I notice it. It gives a little bit of a mellower sound. Just to show you kind of the depth of the effect, I'll go ahead and crank the mix all the way to wet and the speed all the way up. Actually, let me turn the intensity up too. Alright, that's too extreme for me, but I just wanted to show you the depth of the effect there. So I'll turn everything back to about the midpoint, and we'll put a little bit of distortion in the mix too after the vibe. I'll take out the distortion. So I haven't played a Vibe very much, but I'm kind of excited. It's I paid $59.95 I think for this. It's a real analog Vibe pedal, so I'm still getting used to it, but check it out.